Hello, good morning. The time is 11:50 and we are waiting at the launch of Suzuki Katana. And see,
Let me quickly tell you about Suzuki Katana. So Katana is the name of a sword which is used by Japanese samurai. It was launched by Suzuki on 4th of July 2022, Thane, India. And here, in first time in Mumbai, we are doing the unveiling of Suzuki Katana. Can I have a huge round of applause for that? So it's a special unveiling for all the Mumbaikars out there. So on stage with me, I have our chief guest, Mr. Sunil Jadhav. Yes, no? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बिल्कुल क्या बात है ये आवाज थी 1000 cc बाइक के बराबर की so on the count of 10 we will do the unveiling of Suzuki Katana with me 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1 here we present Suzuki Katana. So this Suzuki Katana has S9 4-cylinder DONC 1000cc engine, 152 PS power and 106 Newton-meter torque. Full on electronics, Suzuki traction control, ride selector mode with 3 riding modes available. Sleeper and assist clutch, ride by wire, low RPM assist, bike directional quick shifter, multifunctional instrumental cluster, all LED lights and comes with the range of accessories. So guys, do you hear that? Yes, no?
Subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment on our video, and click the bell icon to never miss our updates.